Hello, over there at INCA Landscape Management Company. Sylvia, thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina, and I work with Boundless SEO, and we're a digital marketing agency. I was just doing some research in your area, and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to you guys, giving you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste your time, so I'll keep this short and sweet. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as education and try it yourself. Just be careful if you do. All right, your website. It's a pretty good website. I like it. The colors are nice. Services, there's really no drop-down menu on the services. You could utilize that as a good strategy to improve and rank. Overall, it's fairly good. Oh, and you have a company Facebook. That's always good. The first thing I want to go over, though, is content. This basically is anything that you can see on the front page of your website, and that's including images. Image optimization is an important aspect of your website to rank. Basically, saving your images as a keyword with relevant background description. I don't see a lot of images here to begin with. I see this one, which is, I like it. And once you jump into your website, it brings you this big image here. Typically, you want to see around 15 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but really they're just scattered without protocol that is hurting your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, keeping you down on the list. Note that Google algorithms search for a more natural feel of a website. Let's jump into Ahrefs. This is Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, of course. Here we'll view the back end of your website, pretty much what you have. After you punch in your website here, it'll give you all the back end, again, of your website. The second thing I like to mention to you or make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR levels here. This meter, 14. Currently, you have 94 backlinks. Additionally, you got 2, plus 2, which is a good sign that you're going up. But unfortunately, it looks like you're going down. Before June, looks like you went up here, and then starting to decrease. You went up a little bit, decreasing. It must be nice if you could just increase, instead of decreasing. This is the Ahrefs rank. This is how much you went down, 83,000, 9,000 for today. But organically, it looks like you're getting traffic 30 with, getting traffic from your website about 30 jumping onto your website organically using 27 keywords, which is good. It's a fair amount. And we'll compare this to your competitor, so you'll see the big difference later on in this video. The third and final thing is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is pretty much what a citation is. The citation level or meter is this right here, the DR. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities like calls and leads. When you compare these standings to your competitor, which is Pacific Landscaping and Tree Services, looking at these guys, they have 296 backlinks, 82 referring domains, 1.2K in organic keywords. The traffic on their website per month is 981, which is fairly good. They are decreasing though. Looks like, I'm not sure what's going on with them, if they decided to stop SEO but you could tell these guys were getting SEO services. However, probably not good. Probably not a good agency, I'm afraid to say. Usually you want to keep these 2 meters at a 1:1 ratio, so you could, rank up as you go. Hopefully this information has been educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Thank you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.